In Chapter 28 to Kill a Mockingbird, it's the night of the play. Jim and Scout walk to the school together, and despite a few embarrassing mistakes, the play goes well. On their way home, it's dark, and they hear someone following them. They break into a run, but Scout's knocked down. Jim tries to get her up, don't get very far. Before they can reach the road, the man gets hold of Jim. They scuffle, and Scout tries to locate her brother in the pitch darkness. Suddenly, Scout's attacker is yanked backwards and flung to the ground. The third person and a second stranger has entered the fight, and just as suddenly as it began, it's over. She sees a lone man standing near the tree coughing. The man fumbles around, picks up Jim, and makes his way to the street. The man carries Jim toward the house, and Scout follows. By the time she reaches the house, the men and Atticus have gotten Jim inside, and Alexander runs out to help Scout. When the sheriff returns from examining the scene of the fight, he reports finding Scout's dress, some bits of her costume, and Bob Yule's dead body. Someone has stabbed him with a kitchen knife. Chapter 28 is filled with action and mystery. Jim's shattered arm brings us full circle to Scout's reference to it in the opening of the novel. Scout and Jim's bond is central to the chapter. Despite their age and gender differences and Jim's coming teen years, the two have stuck together. The description of Jim guiding Scout along the path, one hand resting on top of her costume, makes that clear. Though she is helpless in her costume, Scout never leaves Jim's side. It appears the man who saves Jim and Scout must be Boo Radley. The action of this scene and the revelation of Bob Yule's death serve as 10 leads to Scout face-to-face meeting with Boo Radley.